kitchen makeovers in Fremont. The kitchen is one of the most important rooms in the house. It's where we prepare meals, congregate with family and friends, and often where we entertain guests. Therefore, it's important to have a kitchen that is both functional and stylish. When planning a new kitchen, there are many factors to consider, from cabinetry to countertops to appliances. But with careful planning, you can create a space that is both beautiful and efficient. Here are a few tips to help you get started. First, take into account the layout of your kitchen. If you have a small space, you may want to opt for smaller cabinetry or appliances. But if you have a large kitchen, you can afford to be more creative with your design. For example, you could add an island or create a more open floor plan. Second, think about your lifestyle. If you entertain often, you may want to include features that will make entertaining easier, such as a spacious sink or extra countertop space. On the other hand, if you have young children, you may want to prioritize safety features, such as rounded corners on countertops and floors that are easy to clean. Lastly, don't forget about the little details. Once you've finalized the major decisions, it's time to choose things like hardware, fixtures, and paint colors. These details can make a big difference in the overall look and feel of your kitchen. With careful planning and with the help of professionals, you can create a kitchen that is both stylish and functional. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your dream kitchen today. There are many important factors to consider when choosing a construction company. Experience is always a valuable asset, as is a strong track record of satisfied customers. It's also important to make sure that the company you choose respects your design vision and is willing to work with you to realize your vision. Attention to detail is another critical quality to look for in a construction company. After all, even the most beautifully designed home won't live up to its potential if it's not built with care and attention to detail. Finally, be sure to get quotes from several different companies before making your final decision. By taking the time to do your research, you can be confident that you're choosing the right construction company for your project. Google reviews is a great way to find out about a construction remodeling in Bay Area. And we've been rated the best in the Bay Area for several years. We're honest in our quotation, and our clients are mostly from Fremont. Our quality of service is second to none. So if you're looking for a construction remodeling company that can help you build or remodel your old kitchen, then give us a call today. We'll be happy to give you a free consultation, and we'll even throw in a free estimate. So what are you waiting for? Give us a call today, and let us help you turn your old kitchen into the kitchen of your dreams.